Okay, today I'm going to change the batteries on the Braun 7505. This is I guess it's generic to all the 7500 models. So we're going to take it apart, replace the batteries, and put it together and check if it works. So we'll start. First thing to do is to take that little cap here that actually where the power cord goes in. You just stick a little screwdriver here on the edge and it pops right out. That's it. It looks like that. Now once you do that, it's very easy to just remove the two grip covers on the two sides. You just pull them from the bottom. This is one and this is the other one. Put it inside, and then you have access to the four screws, which are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the screws are torque screws, but also you can fit a regular screwdriver, and I'm going to open them. Here's one, here's two, here's the third one, and here's the fourth one. Now all we need to do is to just carefully release that top from the bottom. Okay, and the circuit board is here, and the circuit board actually just pull out like that. There's no connection or anything. All the connections are done through contacts that attach directly to the PC board for in pressure. So this is the PC board. Here are the two batteries. Electronics is here, a little bit of here, and here are the two batteries. Those are Sanyo nickel metal batteries, and I bought replacement. You have to be careful. The replacement must not be more than 1700 milliamp hour because otherwise the firmware on the shaver is going to be confused. Okay, so I remove all the solder from the four places. Now you need to take a little screwdriver to pop that out, because it has a little double-sided. It has a little double-sided here to keep the batteries in their location. I believe it is because shaver, you abuse it a little bit. And okay, got that out, and now I got the second one out. I also mark the polarity of the batteries, so you won't forget. Then the new batteries, I had to modify the taps a little bit to fit into those smaller holes, and I go by the polarity, and I put the first one in. It's a little bit large, but yeah, okay, I got it in, and all the way through. And the second one, again, keep the polarity checked, and we got it in. Now I'm going to solder the tap. That's one. That's two. That's three. And this 4. And just make sure they're all in. I'm gonna just for the sake of a little more security, I'm gonna put some hot melt glue on that side. I don't think it's necessary, but in that way I'm sure they're not gonna move anyway. Okay, that's all done. Now we put the machine back together. Very simple. We put the circuit board first. Then we have to notice there's a little knob here, a little here, that needs to fit into that little place right here. I hope you can see it. And if you can get that out of the way, should be no problems. So now to put this thing together, I found out that the best thing to do is just to place the PC board right into its place. Again, it has a little, it needs a little pressure, just a little bit, not too much. And then just to place it on your workplace and go with the top right on it. And there's no snap or anything, so you just lay on it, and you make sure that it aligned properly here. And actually, you can click just one to see that it's working. It does work. So now we're gonna put the screws back in. So here's the first one. Again, you can use a screwdriver, or you can use a torque. You know, the small torque wrench you may use for opening your cell phone. Has to be pretty tight, because that actually make the contact between the PC board and the battery and the other components of the shaver. But not too tight to ensure we don't break the plastic enclosure. And the last one. That's it. Now back with the those decorative grips. Wrong side. Yeah, here's one. Here's the second one, and that little clip. And that's all that it's to it. It's moving freely here, and we can shave. Thank you very much, and see you again when we fix another thing. Bye-bye.